What's up everybody, 360 Juice here, back with another video for you guys. And today I'm going to be talking to you about 4 things you should never do after a haircut. And by the way, if you haven't liked the video already, please do so right now. And if you're not subscribed to the channel, smash that subscribe button for your boy. Without further ado, let's jump straight into this video.
They ain't sick of me rapping, they know that I'm never lacking. You ain't never gotta ask me, I'ma do what I gotta do for the fam, I'ma make it happen. Was on the way out but I'm backing, need a new bank account with the cash in it.
Alright, so a lot of you think that you should wash your hair after your haircut. If you don't wash your hair after a haircut, you're dirty. No, that's not the case. I'm not dirty, because I definitely don't wash my hair after a haircut. And that leads to my first thing you should never do after a haircut. Look at this. First things first, right? Your hair texture, if you're straight hair, you can wash your hair every day if you want to. But I'm a coarse hair. I don't know about you. You might be a coarse hair or even a medium textured hair, right? We're not supposed to be washing our hair every single day. It strips our natural oils out of our hair and stuff like that. So we stay away from shampoo as much as possible. That's why I wash my hair only twice a week. When it comes to washing your hair after your haircut, that's a big no-no. First things first, you should wash your hair before the haircut. 24 hours, 5 hours before the haircut. Even 30 minutes before the haircut, you should wash your hair. So it doesn't make any sense to wash your hair before the haircut and then come back home and wash your hair again. You're just killing your scalp, you're killing your natural oils, you're killing your hair. You're not doing it any good. Your hair is not dirty, it's not. You can take a shower, of course, you definitely need to take a shower if you have leftover hair over your clothes, but I bet you your barber will probably put that cape over you so you won't have any hair over your clothes. So it's just like, what's the point of washing your hair? Alright, don't wash your hair after your haircut. Alright, that leads to my second thing you shouldn't do after a haircut. Number 2, do not brush your hair with a hard brush. Do not brush your hair with a medium brush. The only brush you should be using is a soft brush, and the reason for that is because of the fibers. When you get that blackout on your hairline, when you brush with a medium or hard brush, that's gonna take it out. It's gonna like remove it. Okay? So stay away from those brushes, and if you do brush with those, don't go all the way to the hairline. I actually did a live yesterday showing you how to brush your hair after your haircut. Alright, don't brush all the way up to the fiber. Brush and stop, like at the middle of your head. Don't go all the way up to your hairline, alright? That's gonna mess up the fiber, that's gonna take it all out. And a hard brush will do even worse. Alright, so don't do that, don't do it. Now leading on to my third thing you shouldn't do after your haircut is comb out your hair. Why would you comb out your hair? Because if you comb your hair out, then you have to lay it back down. Especially if you're wolfing, you shouldn't be combing your hair out. And if you comb it out, the fiber is still gonna, go to waste. Now, when you lift your hair up with the comb, you're gonna have to lay it back down. And in order to lay it back down, you're gonna have to go with a hard brush, a medium brush. You're gonna have to put in products. You're gonna have to go with a plastic bag. You're gonna have to double compress. It's a whole lot of things to do to lay your hair down. And all of that is gonna get rid of the fiber. Even when you comb your hair, it's still gonna get rid of the fiber. Basically, all of this stuff is because of the blackout. You get the blackout to make it look sharp before you go where you're going. Now, if you're not going anywhere, if you're just going home, going to sleep, okay, you wash your hair, you brush your hair, do whatever you want. But if you're going out, if it's a special occasion, don't do none of these stuff. Our last thing to never do after a haircut, not to touch your head, the part that's already cut, don't touch that with a dirty hand because that's gonna cause infections. I don't know if you know this, but when you cut your hair, when you do your hairline and it's sharp, you should definitely ask your barber to spray some alcohol. And when you do spray alcohol, it burns for a reason. You know why? That's because it's an open cut. Alright, when your barber goes over your hairline, it's actually cutting through your skin. So now it's an open cut, you have to wait for that to heal. And if after a haircut you go home and you don't wash your hands and your hand is dirty and you just touching it like you scratching and doing all this, bro, no, that's gonna mess you up real good. Alright, it's gonna cause infections. You have these little bumps in the back of your neck, little bumps. Don't touch it. I know it's gonna be itching. Don't touch it. If you wanna touch it, wash your hands. Alright, put some soap, some water, hand sanitizer, then you touch it. Don't scratch it either, because if you scratch it, it's gonna get worse. You're gonna get these little bumps and stuff, and you don't want them. They're called razor bumps. Alright, a lot of people get them when they shave their beard, and you can also get them behind your neck or on your hairline, because all of these are open cuts and your skin gets irritated very easily. So number 4, the last thing, do not touch your hair, your hairline, whichever area got cut. Do not touch it with your dirty hands. before you do washing. Alright guys, that concludes the video. That was 4 things to never do after a haircut. If you guys agree with me, please drop in the comments. If you don't, then drop your opinions as well. My comments is open to everyone. All your negative comments, all your positive comments, which I really love, okay? Keep the positivity coming. And all the negative people, I don't really mess with y'all. Shit, man. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and if you're new to the channel, please smash that subscribe button for your boy. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Peace.
Told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma.